To add a new staff member to the system, navigate to the Setup menu, open Preferences and select Users. Input the new user's email address in the Invite User field and press Email User. An email will be sent to the new user with a link inviting them to create their own login info. Following the link, the user will need to input some basic details, such as name and email address. They will also need to create a secure password for their account. When they complete this, an email will be sent to the primary business email address with a link to verify and activate the new user account. At this point, a new user will appear in the user list. For more information on user setup and staff members in HirePOS, please see the relevant tutorial videos or check out the Help Center within the HirePOS app.